checking in no bag, shopping when we land. Big FN bag of ball. Plead the fifth if I get caught, they talk. Came through dripping on them, I been saucing.
Yo, what is going on, y'all? Jay Trades here, back in a brand new video, and today I'll be doing a live trading video, but it's gonna be more of a recap today because, dude, I literally spent so for the first 2 hours of market open, I literally spent time recording, even 3 hours actually. I was recording till like 12:30ish, and there's just no moves at all for SPY for me to play. Again, I was thinking about playing this breakout, but I'm not a breakout trader, so I avoid playing things that I'm not too familiar with. So there's that. So I did not find anything on SPY. I was looking at many other stocks as well. Didn't find too much stuff going on. I did have an Nvidia play that I did alert to the group. So Nvidia hit around 20% there, depending on which contract you played. Mine was way too out of the money. So the in the money ones probably went 30 to 40%, but mine only went to 20% because mine was extremely far out of the money. It's like a lotto play. But here's how Nvidia played out. Basically supply zone, very simple. Rejection, I need to see some sort of breakout to the downside, which happened, and I got in, and then stop loss right above here. This is a bigger stop loss than usual that I usually use, but you know, Nvidia is more volatile, so I like to keep it bigger. So there's that. So that was one of the trades I took today, and I took profits there. SPY, again, nothing here. I had this level drawn out on SPY on the hourly, so I'm hoping that SPY does come up here and break down. The problem today is this is more looking like a trend day potentially. There's still a possibility we do come back down, but it's definitely a lot more of a risky play that I don't know if I would rather play. So there is that analysis right there. And aside from that, there isn't too much else. I did also take a Forex trade today. So we took a, let's see, a gold short right here. We shorted gold. As you can see, gold is coming back up again, but my target official final target is down here, which is, you know, this is probably gonna take a few more hours to hit, mainly due to the fact that gold usually doesn't move as much during after basically like 11:30ish or whatever. It doesn't really move that much, so this is more so of again, a lot of play as well. But as you can see, you could have taken profits at 1 to 3 completely fine. You would have triple times your risk. If you risk 1,000, you would have made 3K off this trade, so completely fine with me. If it does hit me out for a stop loss, completely fine with that, honestly. Don't mind. Again, I sized low on this trade just to see how it's going to go. The main problem with this trade here was that we had some sort of zone formed here. Not really a strong zone, but something to keep in mind. You see how big of a push we had off of this area? Again, that's the same thing occurring over here. I can even increase my stop loss if I wanted to, honestly, to catch this actual full move down. But, you know, I'm just gonna keep it tight and simple. Again, low risk, no high reward. We'll see how that plays out because we do have a lot of space going downside, and also we are very, very bearish on gold. So tons of confluences together. Again, completely fine if it does stop me out. Don't mind much on this trade, but nothing else in the market that really was eye-opening for me. I was literally gonna plan on recording on my phone too, so show you guys these live trades, but dude, nothing really played out. Or not even played out, but nothing really moved, dude. I was just tired, honestly, at that point. 3 hours in the market, sure, there were opportunities, but they're not aligned with my setup style I like to take. If something's not aligned with my setup, I'm not forcing a trade. Now, what you can do today was get rid of that zone. You could have marked out these two zones. This is a range that SPY was playing around with in market open. You definitely easily could have played puts. Again, top supply zone playing puts, the main zone playing calls, and I would have even held my calls from this demand zone because we are very bullish on the bigger time frame. So there is that. But nonetheless, again, nothing really happened here today. Very boring day. Luckily, I did not take many trades today. SPY was just being weird and whack. So again, nothing much today. Choppy day for the market. And that's literally going to be it for today's recap. Very short on just the trades I took today. Nothing crazy here going on. And yeah, so let me know what you guys want to see in the future, by the way, for future videos and stuff. Let me know what you guys want to see. Let me know what you guys are interested in. This is my expectation for SPY to drop once we hit this level, which we're very close to at least. This is a play you could take. Again, this is not financial advice. I'm just saying this is a potential play. I will send this out to the group if they want to play it or not. But again, it is up to you. Usually most of my signals I will send real time, so don't worry about that. But this is just a potential step that I was looking at. So gold here, very simple trade right here on gold. Very simple setup again. We basically broke structure here. I entered off the structure break. In between, I got filled here basically at this candle. We had to break these lows to continue going down, which we did. And then of course we ran into this zone right here, this mini supply that turned into demand right here, which was very annoying and pushed price back up. And then I didn't put my stop loss at break even. I don't put it to break even unless price tells me to, right? Price did not tell me to put it break even, so I kept it with my typical stop loss. My stop loss isn't that high. I think it was up here. Wait, no, I think it was here. Yeah, no, my stop loss was above break of structure. Because if we break the structure, we're probably gonna be pushing up a bit more, and then we could reject up here potentially. But I'm not interested in playing. I'm just not interested in holding a loss and draw down up here, because what happens is 50% or even more of the times, if it breaks this structure right here, it's gonna continue pushing up. And what I see is gold could potentially push up right here from here. This is a very hard area to push up from because this is extremely strong supply. Another reason why I took this trade, very high confluence. Push up here, test this area of resistance, and then boom, drop, make a new low. Maybe not a new low, but you know what I mean. But point is, dude, insane trade. So far, I don't really care too much about that trade. It's completely fine. Still doing exactly what I wanted to. I called this trade out on gold yesterday, dude. I'm so pissed because I did not hold through, man. It hit my target, but dude, look at how many more. Dude, it would have been 1 to 23 risk reward ratio trade. Probably my biggest risk reward trade I took in gold. Would be an absurd. That would have been an absurd play. Again, I didn't even hold through just because very low volume during this time, 10 p.m. I could have held through London, but screw it, not interested in that. And then this gold play I was looking at, I didn't take this trade because it just happened before I got to the charts, unfortunately. And this is such a big move down. You would have had, I guess you could say, a worse entry. But again, it's all good, whatever. We do have this gap again that's being filled. Currently, we have already filled this gap right here, as you can see off this very strong push. So very nice there. Again, not much analysis from there. This is just a quick recap video of the two trades I took today. The gold shorts and then the Nvidia puts. So again, if you want to hold puts, you could hold puts. I don't see Nvidia coming back up to high of day today, as long as SPY basically rejects here. But that's basically my analysis for today. I'm not looking at playing anything else or even looking at anything else. I would be playing SPY puts if it breaks this level or this trend if I were to trade today, but I'm done trading today. So yeah, that's my analysis for today. If you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure to leave a like. Let me know what type of videos you guys want in the future, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.